Marami rin naman na negative comments about Zach eh. Worse is, hindi niya kaya pagtanggol yung sarili niya.
Ganyan ba talaga kakupal si Coach Zach sa mga trainee niya? Baka hindi lang kay Eman yan ganyan. Baka may ibang tao pa. Balita ko may trainee siyang namatay dati.
That's not the issue, Sugar. Zach's privacy was violated. The gym should be a safe space for everyone.
So okay lang sa'yo to?
Ang sinasabi ko, ang dali-daling ma-misinterpret ng isang tao dahil sa iisang video. I should know. Remember? Ang dali-daling ma-judge ng isang tao. Muntikan ako ma-cancel because of you.
Ako pa gumawa sa'yo nun? Di ba si Coach Zach din yung gumawa niyan?
Wait, is that true? Ginawa ni Zach yun sa'yo?
Eh, did you talk to him about it? Inaway mo ba siya?
Yeah, of course. Of course we talked. Wala, it was just... Okay na. Well, he told me na ano lang daw. He was just pranking me. He was just joking. Well, hindi niya in-expect na mag-viral yung video, kaya yun.
Totoo ba? Pinatawad mo siya?
Yeah. Yeah, we're actually in good terms. We're okay. That's why I'm defending him. You know what? Even the dead have rights.
Okay, tama na. Huwag na kayo mag-away-away. Hindi ako bulag. Nakita ko rin yung nakita ninyo. The video revealed the other side of Zach. Pero ano ba magagawa ko? Mahal ko siya eh. Mahal ko pa rin siya.
Mahal mo siya kahit ganyan siya?
Oo, mahal ko siya. He has a dark side. But he has a good side too. Eh, ganun din naman tayo, di ba? Hindi naman tayo perpekto. Di ba?
Excuse me lang.